We had this special event where the school administrators asked me to put together a special event for what they called interim term, which is where the students get to take 2 weeks and work on a special project. So this period for their project started with me, and I put together kind of a class on how to produce an epic event for these high school students. And so I put together an amazing floor plan and timeline and menu, to the extent that the floor plan was, looked one way when they arrived, and then when they came back through the room was already transformed to a whole nother vibe. And so we had special characters that came through. I think I had a juggler on a unicycle when they arrived, and then I had some pop-up characters like that was playing in the background. You could only see them out of the corner of your eye. If you notice, like, the character was playing, now you see them, now you don't. And then I also had a mystery guest that joined in with the group and pretended to be kind of one of the students that was introduced to create drama in the tour. And so as the students went through, halfway through the tour, we stopped into a classroom. I brought them through the shed. Actually, while we were in the classroom, through the glass, you could see another recording taking place that was an event where they were recording a dramatic episode. It was a scene out of a dramatic episode through the glass from the classroom to the next conference room over. That was planned. And then I brought them through. We had chef made this fantastic chocolate desserts. We brought them through and set up a photo booth during part of the tour. They got to see behind the scenes, the employee dream board. They got to see, all of the back end, how the kitchen works and everything in the back end. And then, I brought in a photo booth, and that was a chance for them to all take group pictures. And then we came back into the ballroom, and now the lighting has changed, and there's a piano player playing a song. And oddly, when the students arrived, there was a security guard in the ballroom, we have security on site as a normal thing during events. So security was there when they arrived. Well, when they came back, here's the piano player, and he's playing kind of in a spotlight. And at just the right time, the piano player stopped and the music started playing. We had a DJ there who cued the music. The piano stops and the music starts. At the right moment, the police officer all of a sudden turns into a breakdancer and starts doing breakdancing. Confetti goes off, and then we ended the tour where everyone gets to do a balloon release in the front driveway as we say goodbye to the students. And it was just a fun class kind of tour, kind of a learning experience that I put together. And everyone left with a folder full of the event that they just attended. It was basically the script, the mini script of the event that they just attended, so that they could see, wow, all of this was actually planned. And there was the timeline and the mini script and the menu. You could see the floor plans and how the floor plan flipped. So it was just a really fun experience for the students, and it's why we do what we do, because I loved it. It was very fun. So just another reason why the Bell Tower is the place to be for epic events no one will ever forget. And those students will remember coming for interim term to the Bell Tower to learn how to produce an epic event that no one will ever forget.